Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'm going to show you how to attach a fishing bobber to your line. Right, so here is how you would tie on a fishing bobber. These are used for using as an indicator, just as a float. You might want to keep something near the surface with one of these, or you might just use it as a general float, just an indication. And when a fish comes along, this should dip below the surface or bob up and down, as the name suggests. And these are made out of plastic and they've got like a hook inside them. You might think that you want to put the line all the way through the middle, but that's not how to do it. So I'm going to show you. It's quite easy to do. Here is your fishing line. You start off with the top part here. So if you just put your nail over this rim and push down, you will expose the little hook. And then you want to get the line hooked in. There we go. So imagine this is upright, it's going to sit in the water this way, and that's the tip of your rod up there towards the top here. So now what we do is we put our finger over the whole top of this, hold the bottom, and then if we push down, it will expose the hook at the bottom. Now you want to get the line hooked under here, but wrap it around also. Once it's wrapped around like that, let go and it will pull in, and there it is captured. So you've got it captured at the top hook. This is going up towards the tip of your rod here. It's going to sit in the water like this, and it's got the line is hooked in at the top there, and it comes around the side of the body, and it's looped around the hook at the bottom, and it's pulled in at the bottom. And there you have it. That's how you attach a fishing bobber to your line. Okay, so that is about it for this video. So nice, quick and easy to do. If you've never done it before, now you know how. Hope you found that useful, and if you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe for more fishing related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.